Stony Brook University is a top public research school on Long Island. It offers over 200 majors and co-manages Brookhaven National Lab. The campus is home to SBU Transit, a free shuttle system connecting key campus areas. Thousands of students rely on it daily to get to class, labs, and housing.
My name is George Voles, Director of Transportation at Stony Brook University. SBU Transit transports approximately 2 to 2.2 million rides per year on our campus. We run 17 buses a day. We had a contract with a previous bus tracking company that expired July of 24. We put a request for proposal out to the general community with respect to bus tracking. We were looking for a system that would track the buses as well as accurately count passengers and include the automatic voice announcements. When the full semester kicked off at the end of January and all of our students, staff, none of them were able to track where the buses were, there was a lot of pressure from the campus community to get this service up and running. And that's where the true push to get this tracking system deployed as quickly as possible. We wrote into the RFP, the winning bidder would have to integrate with our current automatic passenger counters. We answer to our students and their transportation fees, so we're looking out for their dollar. And the APCs that we currently had in our buses, we spent roughly $1,000 per bus to initially deploy. So with 34 vehicles that we deployed with, potentially you're talking a $34,000 savings. And we felt that was significant enough to write that into the contract. ETA had all the things we were looking for, plus many peripherals that we could choose to add down the line. And they accepted the challenge of completing this in the window that they knew we needed to complete it by. ETA was able to book a deployment date and 7 days of install and testing. Their project team was fantastic, very responsive. We were fully functional by the beginning of March. We chose ETA, among other things, for some of the features that they have in their product. You're able to see how full a bus is, so when a bus is approaching, if it's full, that'll indicate that on the app. You're also able to look at the schedule that the buses run. We also have several amenities at each bus shelter that we're now able to show in the app, and even pictures of the bus stops.
What I like best about ETA, we're able to see which drivers are assigned to which routes. So we're able to identify the driver of a particular bus immediately. And we are able to implement multiple routes and save it to queue up later on. This was the best thing that we identified from ETA, the support. If there's any and every issue that we encounter, we reach out, they provide a response in a timely fashion.
So SBU Transit's decision to go with ETA as our bus tracking vendor has so far been an excellent decision. With a tight deployment timeline and the features that we wanted to include, I would highly recommend them as a vendor for any transit agency that's looking to move on to the next level of technology and open themselves up for future options that they may want to include